started on this scale drawing assignment. You will need square centimeter grid paper. Ask Mr. Ryan for some. The average dimensions for each creature are given below. Here they look approximately the same size. We know in real life they are not. One way to accurately compare sizes is to use the same scale. We are going to be using a scale of 1 centimeter equals 3 feet. And we're going to draw scale models of each of the following ocean animals on our grid paper. Now, in order to come up with our measurements, our model measurements, we're going to be coming up with ratios that take the model divided by the actual length. And so in order to come up with this, we need to set up two different proportions. One proportion is going to be for the height. We know that our scale is 1 to 3, and we know that the height of the dolphin is 2 feet. And so if we take our 1 over 3, that's our scale ratio, and we're going to set it equal to our model. We don't know in centimeters right now how tall it's going to be, but we do know 2 feet. So we have our unknown divided by 2. Now we have a proportion that we can solve. We can use our cross multiplying property, and we would get 3x equals 2. Divide by 3 on both sides. Do 2 divided by 3 in the calculator, and you would get 0.67 centimeters. Now for each one of these models, you need to come up with the model length in centimeters for the height and the length. Now the length of this dolphin is 13 feet. So to figure out in centimeters how to draw it to scale, we're going to take our scale of 1 over 3 and set it equal to our unknown length of the model over 13 feet, the actual distance. Using our cross multiplication, we come up with 3x equals 13. Divide by 3 on both sides. And our length is going to be 4.3 centimeters. Now, how to apply this to your drawing? On your grid paper, we don't even need to use a ruler. We're using each square has a length of 1 centimeter and a height of 1 centimeter. So if we are looking at our scale and using our height, I'm going to want to draw this dolphin, and the highest I want to go is about 0.67. So if I start here and go straight up, I'm going to go all the way to 1, but kind of probably stop somewhere in between here at 0.67. We just kind of estimate it. So that's the height of the dolphin. The length is 4.3. So I'm going to need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And to get 0.3, I'm just going to venture out here just a little bit, not quite to the halfway point, and that's the length of my dolphin. So somewhere in here, I'm just going to sketch a drawing that will fit, where this is my 0.67 height, and here is my 4.3 length, and this is where I'm going to sketch my dolphin. Now you can check out my time-lapse video of how I created this drawing. But again, this is the scale I used, right? Here's our 1, 2, 3. This is our 4.3, and the height of the 0.67 we just talked about on the last page. Now when you draw your dolphin or your manta ray, you are going to title it. We need the title, and then you're going to put the actual dimensions. So you can repeat this process. The dolphin is done for you. You can copy that down and repeat this process for the remaining ocean creatures on your project.